If you want to speak fluent English, you need to know a lot of sentences. For this, you need to practice listening English. It is very easy to learn many sentences by listening and use them when you speak English. Today I will share with you many short sentences that will help you speak English quickly, and you can teach these sentences to the children in your home. These will always be useful in your daily life. So let's start today's lesson. I felt. I felt. They will have to surrender. They will have to surrender. He is a liar. He is a liar. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I am outside. I am outside. That's why. She is talkative. She is talkative. I apologized. I apologized. They will have to fight. They will have to fight. It is false. It is false. He is fake. He is fake. Little by little. Little by little. He is pessimistic. He is pessimistic. They will have to run. They will have to run. It is useless. It is useless. Stay away. Stay away. He is clever. He is clever. How far is your home? How far is your home? She is weak. She is weak. Get away. Get away. He is deep. He is deep. He has a cold. He has a cold. He went to the school. He went to the school. I am optimistic. I am optimistic. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. Do it right now. Do it right now. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. How much? How much? Don't move. Don't move. Don't scream. Don't scream. You are brave. You are brave. She is stubborn. She is stubborn. Don't roam outside. Don't roam outside. Not at all. Not at all. Come here. Come here. He forgot. He forgot. We will have to remember. We will have to remember. It is nice. It is nice. It is intricate. It is intricate. You lied to me. You lied to me. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.